Hello guys, welcome back to Kitchen of Flavors, and today I'm cooking Chinese vegetable rice, a very simple, easy and yummy dish. 2 tablespoons of margarine. So my wok is already hot, so I've just kept the margarine in. We'll wait for it to melt. Now I'm going to add a pinch of mixed herbs because it brings out the nice aroma. And now I'm going to add one white onion, which I've already chopped, finely chopped. I prefer using white onion because it doesn't bring out the spicy taste. It brings out very nice, and it's good for your heart and your chest if you have acidity and all. So I'm just going to fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We'll give it a quick stir as the onions fry for another 3 minutes. And now I'm going to add 1 large carrot which I have grated. And I have 7 baby corns which I have finely chopped them. Sweet baby corns. And I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt. And now I'm going to stir it. And now I'm going to add soya sauce, which is 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. The reason why we use vegetables mostly in our fried rice is because it brings out the nice crunchiness and it brings out a very nice aroma. You enjoy eating the rice. And one good thing about the vegetables is if you want to make biryani, vegetable biryani, you can use the same way, something different. Or if you want to make a chicken barbecue, fried rice or anything, this is the best way of using because it brings out the crunchiness. And now I am going to add some French beans and some snow peas, as you can see here. So this is mixed, which is half a tin. And a few broccolis. So I'll add a few broccoli chunks in it, snow peas and some French beans. Just give it a quick stir and fry it for about 2 minutes. As you can see, the wok has different kinds of vegetables and it's so colorful. In fact, if your kids are fussy about vegetables and you make something like that, they'll obviously want to try it, like my kids are so fussy. So when I make something like this, they just dig in. It's very yummy. So now what I'm going to do is add 3 cups of boiled rice in the vegetables. And now we're just going to start with the vegetables. You need half cooked rice because if you do overcooked rice, it will eventually mash up in the pan and it won't have a nice taste. Just go with it smoothly and keep mixing them. So as you can see, I've already mixed up the rice. It looks so yummy. And then what you do is keep it on low heat for about 5 minutes. It's on low heat. I'm going to garnish it with some capsicum, green capsicum, 1 large. I've chopped it finely. So I'll just garnish it. You can put as much as you desire. In case you want to garnish it with something else also, you can garnish it. I'll just put a bit of white onion. Now we'll let it be on low heat for 5 minutes. Okay, my yummy Chinese vegetable rice is ready. You can serve it with dried chicken or with prawns or anything fried or anything you desire.